Hi guys! Today we are going to be learning about a celebration that is really important. It's called the Dragon Boat Festival. So, did you know that it's on the Chinese calendar on 5th of May 2021, which was about every year, actually. It will be celebrated on that day. It's on the traditional Chinese calendar. But on the Western calendar, it is actually celebrated on Monday, the 14th June. It's actually today. Shouldn't have said that. So, it's called Duan Wu Jie in Mandarin. And the food that we usually eat is called Zongzi. It looks like this. It's similar to the rice ball, the Japanese rice ball called Onigiri, which looks like this. Yeah. No. They look very similar. Onigiri, the Japanese rice bowl, and the Zongzi. And they have a dragon boat, which looks like this. Can you see? The dragon! And there are so many people. And also, Zongzi can be sweet and savory, depending on your choice. We celebrate it to remember a man called Qu Yuan. Qu Yuan is a man who is closely related to this festival. This could also be called the Mooncake Festival. Let me check. That is kind of So, a dragon boat race is the most important thing. Just like Chinese New Year, this festival is very, very important. And Zongzi is made by using sticky rice and raw meat and soy sauce, usually, and it's also called Duan Wu. And the most famous festival in China is the Chinese New Year. This festival, Dragon Boat Festival, should be famous as well. But I'm sure Chinese New Year is really famous. And it has to be celebrated with a lot of enthusiasm, music, dance, fireworks, and local food. So an example of this could be in Singapore, you can have chicken rice during this festival. And you have to celebrate it with enthusiasm. So guess what? And in Malaysia, this should also be celebrated if the people of those races are Chinese. Qu Yuan is a Chinese poet and minister. And some people put this Zongzi into the sea to look for Qu Yuan's body. Okay, let's check your knowledge. What's the name of the festival? Yes, if you said Duan Wu Jie or Dragon Boat Festival, then you are absolutely correct. What is the name of the food eaten during this festival? Yes, if you said Zongzi or Chinese sticky rice dumplings, you're correct. Now, third question. If you said this to this question, What is so famous about this Dragon Boat Festival? If you said it's in a lot of Chinese countries, then you're correct, but definitely not Korea or Japan. And what is the date? Both on the lunar calendar and on the Western calendar. If you said 5th May on the Chinese calendar and then 14th of June on the Western calendar, you are correct. So, if you want to know all this, you can watch your video and learn more to find out. Bye! Thanks for watching!